Hello and welcome to IDEX 2023. Army Recognition is the official online show daily news and web TV for this event. During 5 days, our editorial team will cover with news and latest videos. On the day one video, you can discover the latest product presented at IDEX 2023.
We are participating at IDEX, as you know, since 2003. Basically, always we are showing our products from production, our development programs. One concept development of a new version of NORA system with remote control, totally 30 to 36 rounds of ammunition, both projectiles and propellant charges ready for fire. But also plus 24, totally 36 at the platform, but those 24 have to be reloaded after firing of those 12. Understanding practically the shooting of, let's say, 4 to 6 rounds from one standstill, changing position and shooting another 4 to 6 rounds, meaning that we can use the 3 to 2. You have seen Laser M, which has been firstly time promoted into this mock-up version outside of Serbia, but the weapon existed already. It had been not shown outside of Serbia before that. Now it is the model, which is the mock-up. Difference is that in this Laser 3M, dismounted infantry are sitting face by face with slightly different, of course, position than in Laser 3M. Now we are using situation awareness based on the TV monitors and 360 degrees camera for the operation night, including the thermal cameras for nighttime operation, all clock operation, and with slightly different position of crew members, which is also like Laser 3M on very comfortable situation, but it is different. In the middle of this weapon, we are putting, the vehicle, we are putting the 30 caliber weapon, and it is with, of course, remote control weapon station operator. S-Leg operator of 50 caliber, it Laser 3 standard. S-Leg for the Laser 3, for the Miloš 2, you have seen also, it's a 4x4 vehicle with double axles of 9 tons per axle. It is 4 tons bigger capacity than for standard Miloš, which has 2 axles by 7 tons per axles. Those 4 tons is increasing ability for increased arm protection, combining with variety of weapon systems, and of course slightly bigger hull contains 10 persons, talking about driver, commander and 8 member of this mountain squad. In standard Miloš we have 2 commander, driver and 6 persons of this mounted squad. It is important. The system is including, as I said, ability for more versatile weapon systems.